Hello everyone, and welcome to Tech Upskill channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Windows 11 File Explorer crashing issues. Many users face this problem, which can result from improper system settings, incompatible software, cache buildup, or corrupted system files. I'll share effective methods to resolve it. Make sure to follow each step, and by the end, your issue should be fixed. Let's get started. Fix File Explorer crashing on Windows 11. Start by adjusting the File Explorer options. First, click on the search icon and type Control. Then select Control Panel from the suggestions. From there, choose File Explorer options. In the new window, under the General tab, find the Open File Explorer option, click the drop-down and select this PC. After that, click Apply and then OK. Next, clear the cache. In the File Explorer Options window, scroll down to the Privacy section on the bottom right. Click Clear to remove the cache, and then click OK. Afterward, ensure your system is up to date. Search for updates in the search bar and select Check for Updates. If any updates are available, follow the prompts to install them. Restart your computer if necessary to complete the update process. Now, run a system check. Open the command prompt by searching for CMD, right-clicking it, and selecting Run as Administrator. In the command prompt, type sfc/scannow and hit Enter. This process may take some time as it scans for corrupted files and automatically fixes any issues. Once the system scan is complete, move on to restoring your system's health using PowerShell. Search for PowerShell, right-click it, and select Run as Administrator. Copy and paste the command I'll provide in the description, and hit Enter to repair your Windows image. Wait for the process to finish, which might take some time. Finally, restart File Explorer. Open Task Manager by right-clicking on the taskbar and selecting Task Manager. Find Windows Explorer, right-click on it, and choose Restart. Check if the issue is resolved. If not, try restarting your computer. I hope you found the video helpful. Don't forget to hit the subscribe, like, and share buttons. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.